Today is actually Sunday, but I need to wait for my sister to get the net for the net for her guinea pig or hamster. This part is toys. Look, it's a little kids heaven here, so you don't have to worry about buying toys for the children. This alley is a bit quiet, so I'll film it. Maybe some Barbie. I'm not sure it's original, authentic, or artificial Barbie. And then you can I think this side is more on the girls heaven to buy what they love. I think there's a bit of the bubbles. Maybe this for boys, for the boys, some car stuff as well. Maybe this one younger for the toddlers. Kids have for the babies. This one is like 20 something. You get little mermaid there, a little bit purple color mermaid. And I think all the kids when mom shop as well, they like to come here to buy a bit of stuff. Have a look, there's a lot of things here. It's not very expensive. This is in Mr. DIY, so it's affordable for parents who you don't want to spend a lot. If you live in Borneo or you live in Asia. So Malaysia is actually quite a good place to live. So we like people from all country, all over the world to come. That's here. There's a little case for coin box. Yeah, there is some balloon for celebration for birthdays, banners, bunting. Yeah, parents normally want to spend not too much, but they want to spend a little bit just where they can afford for all the things like the fancy things for the girls. A little butterfly there. We want to get cups or paper cups. A little different. This is for even younger one for toddlers. Oh, you get little pinky color there. Is there anything for the boy? Maybe the knives. When I was a kid, I loved to have all these toys. Yeah, so it's a bit of toys things today to let you see something different.